Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, and I'm documenting my home renovation here in Yucatan, Mexico. And our main construction people left early because it rained. We actually have a forecast for rain for the next 3 or 4 days, so they're going to have to work around that a bit. We'll see how that goes. They want to finish by about 4 or 5 days from now, and that may be pushed back because of the weather. But I wanted to show you a couple of things that has happened. So we are got a bunch of river stones in this huge bucket of stones is going to go around the pool for the drainage. Pretty nice. All this costs 250 US for all this. So it's going to look really great. I'm going to show you where that is in just a second. But first, we also had this little side project underneath our solar panels, which are working great, and we're being powered by that. We had them build this shelf, and this is going to be an area with a sink. So here's the sink. This actually came with the boat. We are repurposing. It's going to go right there. And this will be like our potting area for plants. Also, maybe painting of some furniture and things like that. We'll do here. It's not going to get rained on because it's actually right under our solar panels, which is cool. And so they're working on that. And these support things are actually going to go away in a couple more days once it's thoroughly dried out. And this is just going to hang out right here. They built it into the wall. Yesterday, there was a lot of chiseling away and a lot of noise for that. And so they're doing that. Another little side project. And that was like $150 to do all that. It's taken them a few days to do it. And then another side project is the painter who we loved that painted most of the interior of the house and the doors and everything is going to paint our gate, our car gate here. So he started sanding it today, as you can tell a little bit. And this job is going to take him, he told us, about 3 days to do. And he's going to paint it a nice turquoise color, the same color that we have on our other doors. And I'm going to show you the pool where these rocks are going to go in around next. But on the way, I can show you what the color is it's going to be, because we painted all our doors this color. It's my favorite color, quite honestly. That color. So our gate over there is going to look like this. I'm looking forward to that. It'll match our beach gate as well, and everything. So most of the work that was done today was framing up this 10 centimeters around the pool on this side of the pool. So this area, this is where those rocks are going to go. They're going to pave most of this, except for near the wall, is also going to be rock to here. And then they're going to put a concrete pad right here for a future jacuzzi, which is a big deal because it's 5,000 pounds with water. And so it has to be done specially, but it's going to be right up against the wall and right here. So that's what they did. That's going to be all concrete. This will be very thick concrete, river stone, and more concrete around here with this 10 centimeter of river rock around the pool. They also did this section right there. The pool, like I think I said last time, is done. It's ready for the plumber, electrician to install all the equipment and get it up and running. Same with the steam room here. It's done. I told you guys that last time, and we're just waiting for the equipment to be installed, which I think he's coming tomorrow to do all that. Getting really close. Of course, the weather and rain. I mean, it rained earlier, and it actually got rained out because they wanted to do some concrete, and you can't really do that when it's raining. They went home early, but they're going to come extra early tomorrow to start working on trying to finish this, because they want to finish up quickly and get this over with. We're very happy about that as well, and want to have them do that also. That's it from here in Yucatan, Mexico, with my beach home renovation. Hey, if you like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and you'll see more videos like this and everything about being an expat. And of course, if you want more information, I do have a Saturday newsletter. You can go to expatrebel.com/newsletter to get that as well. And if you got a comment, positive comment, go ahead and leave a comment here. And if you got a question about doing a home renovation in Mexico and or on the beach, which is different, go ahead and leave a comment and I'll answer, or maybe even do as a comment, or I may even do a video. So thank you for joining me today, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.